Hey there, gamers! Are you looking for the perfect desktop computer to take your gaming experience to the next level? Look no further, because we have the ultimate gaming PC for you. Our Wholesale new generation gamer desktop computer is equipped with all the features you need to dominate your favorite games and power through those intense work tasks. With top-of-the-line, customized computer options, including the latest CPUs like i5, i7, and i9, as well as powerful GPUs like the GeForce RTX 30 series and AMD Radeon R9 series. You can expect bleeding-edge gaming performance and super-fast processing power that can handle even the most CPU-intensive tasks. Not only that, but our gaming PC comes with best-in-class storage, including a 240GB SSD and a 500GB HDD. So you can load all your games much faster than traditional hard disk drives. Say goodbye to slow loading times and hello to immersive gaming and quick file transfers. To top it all off, we're also including free shining cooler fans and customizable RGB LEDs to add a sense of style to your gaming setup. And if you order from our Russian or China warehouses, you'll receive special limited gifts to enhance your gaming experience. But that's not all. We also provide fast delivery, good gaming effects, and a good package to ensure your satisfaction. And if you ever encounter any issues with our product, we are committed to solving them and providing the best customer service possible. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming setup with our new generation desktop computer and experience the ultimate gaming performance. Click the link in the description to get your hands on our gaming PC today. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to level up your gaming experience.